Hi guys, welcome back to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and the most relevant drone news. Today we're back with a really exciting video regarding the Skydio 2 and an update that's gonna be getting in the near future. But before we get started with today's video, make sure you all subscribe and help us get to 1,000 subscribers. If we're able to get to this amount of subs before August 1st, then we're gonna be giving away a Mavic Air 2 to one of you lucky subscribers. So make sure you help us get to 1,000 subscribers before August 1st. So with that out of the way, let's get started with today's video. So today, Drone Excel, about 4 hours ago, they released an article regarding the Skydio 2. So as you guys know, the Skydio was released in November of last year. Here's a picture of the drone for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about. So this drone is one of the very revolutionary drones, as Skydio claims that this is impossible to crash and it has a ton of technology packed into it. But today they announced in a Twitter, they replied to one person, and the topic for today's video is gonna be the update that this drone is gonna be getting. So Skydio finally confirmed today that the Skydio 2 is gonna be getting an update in the near future, and this update is gonna include 3 really important and very exciting things. So the first one is gonna be vertical view, 180-degree vertical view. So this is really important and something that DJI drones do not currently have. So what is this going to allow us to do? Well, this is going to allow us to capture images directly above our drone. So what does that mean? Well, that the gimbal is going to be able to rotate upwards without the need of having to do this with a drone, which is not even possible with a drone like this. So this is something really nice and something very neat. So this is going to be combined with obstacle avoidance, which is going to allow us to focus on overhead inspection targets. The second thing that the Skydio is going to be getting is precision mode. So this is leverage high precision controller inputs with close proximity obstacle avoidance for maximum control in detail inspection. And then the third one, and the most important for me and the most exciting one, is 360-degree super zoom. Okay, so this consists of the following: zoom out for a 360-degree view of your surroundings. So that's kind of like a sphere picture that what we see on DJI drones. And then the second one, which is the most important for me, is gonna be 100 times zoom. So this is really exciting and something we do not currently have with the Skydio 2, and if they are able to bring this out to the Skydio 2, I think this is really gonna help the drone and really make it a really powerful drone. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. So more information should be coming out real soon regarding on the release date, and I think this is gonna be coming out on around the same date as the new Skydio X2 starts shipping, which is gonna be around November, December of this year. So expect somewhere around there for this update to arrive, but we'll be getting more information soon. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe.